This is one of the fastest tops I sew, and I've made it many times. No complicated pattern, no technical gymnastics, just a reliable flattering shape you can make again and again. It uses 5 simple seams. Takes me only 30 minutes to complete. And once you have this blueprint, you'll never buy this style again. Let's make it. Every wardrobe needs at least one go-to garment, something you can sew quickly, wear comfortably, and trust to fit. This is one of mine. This top is cut mostly from simple shapes. The front is cut on the fold, the sleeves are built in. The shape flares gently, which makes it a forgiving and flattering cut. I use 60 inches wide stable knit, a fabric that has body and holds its shape. Cotton knits are fine. Just pre-wash them twice. Always pre-treat your fabric the same way you'll wash the finished garment. Now, this is non-negotiable. The greatest stretch of the knit must go around your body, not up and down. And don't add more than 1 inch beyond your body measurement. No complex pattern pieces, just simple measurements. We are using a consistent, narrow 1/4 inch seam allowance. It's fast, clean, and works perfectly for this method. Yardage is simple. Take the finished length you want, the length of the top. Double it, then add 6 inches. That's your fabric requirement. The construction is quite efficient. 1 back seam, that's optional. Shoulder seams and upper sleeves sewn together. Side seams and undersleeves sewn together. That's it. My machine setup is simple. A small zigzag or stretch stitch, size 11 ballpoint needle, polyester thread, and 1/4 inch seams. When sewing knits, gently guide the fabric from behind the presser foot. Don't pull, just support it. That alone prevents stretched out seams. For me, I add a center back seam because of my curved lower back. It prevents fabric from bunching. But you don't have to. A seamless back works. This is about fit, not rules. I finished the top with 4 hems, neckline, sleeves, and hemline, using a simple machine turnover hem. Round necklines make it faster. Square or V necklines will need facings. When you've made this once, and it can take as little as 30 minutes, you would have gotten the hang of it, and it's yours forever. This isn't just a fast top. It's a skill pattern, the kind you keep in your hands for years. Change the fabric, change the sleeve length, change the neckline, and you have a new garment every time. For more ideas, subscribe to All My Ways Andrea, and please let me know how your top turned out in the comments. As always, thank you for being here.